Prosciutto is just a matter of pork and salt. It's an art. It takes something coming from a raw ingredient, nurture them, and cure with time and temperature as it was done almost 2000 years ago by the Romans. It's a process that starts in the fall and is getting ready for enjoying during the summertime. The Romans figured out that there was a problem of preserving the meat during the summer. So they start killing the pigs in the period of the fall through the winter. The cold season was helping them preserve the meat. Then they discovered that if they covered the meat with salt, this process was getting even better.
Now salt has a natural nitrates inside that help preserve the meat. This is a very unique process. Not many people do it because of course it's time consuming and salt consuming, but it's the best way to guarantee you that nice red meaty color all the way to the center of the leg.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Thank you.
We are recreating the passage of time from December to August using controlled air and controlled environment.
It's your typical winter. It's cold. Prosciutto is one of those items that has only two ingredients: pork, salt, and a lot of time and love.
Prosciutto is a leap of faith. You're starting today and you don't know if the product you're making is going to come out as good as you plan it to be 10 months from now.
By the time the prosciutto reached this door, 114 days went by. Welcome into April. At this point, we have one dilemma. Leave the product this way and we're gonna have an open surface that is gonna keep drying and the part with the skin is gonna dry correctly. So the ancient find out that okay, we have to preserve the open cut face and see how we can avoid this creation of the crust. In this case is a mix of pork fat and salt that is gently applied on the open cut surface.
In this way we have the perfect condition for dry curing slowly and steady the prosciutto for Applegate. We are going back thousands of years to have exactly the most clean and natural product you can get.
So we have some robotic arm that are unloading this prosciutto from the tree and sending them over for a slicing process. Deboning first, slicing process later.
Following the tradition of our ancestors and marrying with Applegate philosophy just give you the best product available on the market.
That's the way it looks like. We started from the beautiful leg and now we create this brick look shape that is optimal for slicing and to get the product into the package looking perfect all the time.
I'm Simone Bocchini and I'm the president of an Italian company making salami prosciutto for over 205 years. This tradition brings us right in a marriage with what Applegate's statement is, changing the meat we eat.